Good morning students, welcome to the social class. Now we see the lesson History, Unit 2, Human Evolution. Human evolution means Parinama Valarchi. Now we see the lesson Learning Objectives. Origin of humans, hunting and gathering, implements of stone, fire and wheel. Significance of rock painting. Now we see the picture. How to develop human evolution. Earth evolved before 460 years. Man started to walk before 2 lakh years. Spread over the earth before 3 lakh years. Started cultivation for agriculture before 8,000 years. Found civilization. Civilization means Nagarigam before 5,000 years. Modern man. This is the human evolution.
Next we see the two members conversation, Tamilini and grandmother. Tamilini of standard 6 went to the science exhibition with her grandmother. There they saw a time machine. Welcome and experience the time machine. It will take you to the period. Which you select? Tamilini. Grandma, can we go forward and see our future? Grandmother. What is so interesting in future, Tamil? Let's go back and see our past. Tamilini. Yeah, that's good idea, Grandma. They operate the time machine to the year 1950. They saw few vehicles and many people walking. Slowly they moved back to 1850. There were no buses or cycles. Carts pulled by mules and bullocks were seen on the roads. Horse-drawn cart was a rare occurrence. They changed into 8,000 years ago. There they saw people doing farming, crop production and agriculture. Again they changed into 18,000 years ago, where they saw early humans living in caves. They were using tools made of stones and bones for hunting. Tamilini. Grandma, it is too scary. Let's go. Tamilini. Grandma, can you tell me the story of evolution? Grandma. Oh yes, why not? The story of human evolution can be scientifically studied with the help of archaeology and anthropology. Archaeology means remains of old materials. Anthropology means study of human social. Archaeology. Archaeology is the study of prehistoric humans. Remain materials used by prehistoric humans. Excavated material remains are the main source for archaeological studies. Grandma. Anthropologists have unearthed the footprints of humans in a country called Tanzania, which in Eastern Africa. They were found in rock beds submerged under the sand. Anthropology. Anthropology is the study of humans and evolutionary history. The word anthropology is derived from two Greek words. Anthropos meaning man or human and logos meaning thought or reason. Anthropologists attempt by investigating the whole range of human development and behavior to achieve a total description of cultural and social phenomena. People and their habitat. Australopithecus East Africa, Homo habilis South Africa, Homo erectus Africa and Asia, Neanderthal Eurasia, Europe and Asia, Cro-Magnons France, Peking China, Homo sapiens Africa, Heidelberg. Humans have evolved over millions years ago and adapted to the changing times. Tamilini. Grandma, can you explain it in detail? Stages of human evolution. The first species was Australopithecus. The nature, a mix of human and apes. They used to walk, which means pedal walk, walking on two legs. They survived in the year of 4 million to 2 million years ago. The common name proto-human evolved in Eastern Africa. Southern ape. Second were Homo habilis. They have presence of big toe. Toe means கால்விரல்கள். To hold tightly and less redulding face. Redulding face means நீண்ட முகம். Tool maker. They survived in the year between 2.3 and 1.4 million years ago. The common name for Homo habilis, the proto-human. Third, Homo erectus. Nature, walked in a straight position. He had the knowledge of the fire. Year, approximately 1.8 million years ago. Common name, Java man. Neanderthal. Neanderthal means ஆதிகால மனிதர். They different from Africans. Their tools were crude. Hunting skills were also poor. There are evidences of burying the dead. Evidences are seen at Neanderthal in Germany. They survived in the year between 130,000 and 40,000 years ago. The common name Neanderthal, not fully. Homo sapiens. They are modern human beings. They had the knowledge of hunting and gathering society, still used crude stone implements, moved out of Africa and settled in Europe and Asia. They survived in the year of 3 lakhs years ago. The common name Homo sapiens is wise man. Next we see the Cro-Magnons, the present man. They are beginning of human life, used many weapons like harpoons. Harpoon means ET. They survived in the year of 50,000 to 40,000 years ago in West Asia and in southeastern Europe. The common name Cro-Magnons is the modern hunting and food gathering. Tamil, you will be surprised to know that millions of years ago, our ancestors means முன்னோடிகள், led a nomadic life. Nomadic life means நாடோடிகள் வாழ்க்கை. They lived in a groups in a cave or a mountain range. Each group consisted of 30 to 40 people. They kept on moving in search of food. They hunted pig, deer, bison, rhino, elephant and bear for food. They also scavenged. Scavenged means தோண்டி எடுக்கப்பட்ட. The animals killed by other wild animals like tiger. They learned the art of fishing. They collected honey from honeybees, plucked fruits from the trees and dug out tubers from the ground. They also collected grains from the forest. Grandma. Tamilini, do you know the weapons that the early humans used for hunting? Tamilini, I have no idea, Grandma. Can you tell me about the hunting practices? Stone tools and weapons. To make a stone tool, 2 stones were taken. One was used as a hammer to sharpen, the other for removing flakes, keeping a stone in the bottom and sharpening it with another stone. Grandma, hunting was the main occupation of humans in the past. Hunting was the main occupations of humans in the past. It was difficult for humans to kill a big animals with a stick or a stone. So they decided to use sharpened weapons. The best stone for the making weapons was Sikimikical. It is known for its strength and durability. Humans spent many hours in search of a flintstone. Flintstone means Sikimikical. They made sharp weapons and tools with the help of the stones and fitted them with wood to grip them. Humans created tools like axes with big stones. Tamilini. Why were axes made, Grandma? Grandma. The axes were made to cut trees, remove perks, dig pits, hunt animals, and remove the skin of animals. Grandma. Tamilini, do you know how they discovered fire? Tamilini. No, Grandma. How did they discover? Discovery of fire. At first, humans were afraid of fire and lightning. Probably fire caused by lightning had killed many wild animals. Humans tasted the flesh of the killed animals, which was soft and tasty. This made humans aware of the effect of fire. They used flint. Flint means Sikimikical. Flint stone to make fire and used it to protect them from predators. Predators means வேட்டையாடுதல், for cooking food and for creating light during night. Thus fire became important for man in old times. Even today in the villages of Nilgiris district in Tamil Nadu, people have the habit of making fire without use of matchbox. Tamilini. What next, Grandma? Grandma, you will be surprised to know that the next human invention was the wheel. This was the first scientific invention of humans using their brain. Invention of the wheel. The invention of the wheel by humans is considered to be the foremost invention. When humans saw the stones rolling down from the mountains, probably they would have got at the idea of making the wheel. Next we see the pot making. Humans learned to make pot with clay. The invention of wheel made pot making easier and the pots made were burned to make it stronger. They decorated pots with lot of colors. The color ties were made from the extracts of roots, leaves or twigs. These natural ties were used in rock paintings. Grandma, can you identify what is there in this picture? Tamilini. Yeah, some drawings. Grandma, well said. Tamilini, these drawings survived as art and architecture. They are called inscription. Inscription are writing encovered on solid surfaces such as rocks, stones, temple walls and metals. In India, we can see many paintings in rocks and caves. The rock paintings give some information about the past. Approximately, there are 750 caves, in which 500 caves have paintings. There are many more undiscovered caves. The rock paintings depict hunting pictures of the male and female dancing pictures and pictures of children playing. Tamilini. How about domestication of animals, Grandma? Grandma, humans found that dogs have good sniffing skill. So the domesticated dog first and later domesticated hen, goat and cow. Tamilini. What next? Grandma. They involved themselves the field of agriculture, the many handicrafts. They follow the border system, selling goods and exchange of other goods. Tamilini.
Thank you so much, Grandma. The information you have shared with me is very helpful, and I would share it with my friends at school tomorrow.
Grandma. Very good. Congratulations, Tamilini. Thank you, students.